And if you're looking at your entire customer journey and you're noticing my messages are constantly repeating, we're not adding value within each of these customers' journey, then you know right then and there that you need to optimize for each part of the journey, and then your message is going to really resonate with your audience better. So one of the reasons that your message may not be working is because you're messaging them at the wrong place within their buyer's journey. So what I mean by that is you might be using a message for someone, using the same message for someone who's brand new to your website as you are for a returning customer. Or maybe you're using the same message for that new customer that you're trying to retarget. So what I mean by that is, okay, maybe you came to your site, you're showing them the problem and a solution, and then when you're trying to remarket them, you're showing them the same problem and the same solution. Well, at that point, you need to be building value. So I would be thinking, okay, if this person's coming to my website and we're gonna shoot them a remarketing ad, well, within this particular message, I'm gonna be highlighting the benefits of my products. I'm gonna really be deep diving into the real value that these benefits are gonna provide for their life. And then so from there, now my message is really resonating with my audience. So you have to be willing to really segment your message in a way that it's really gonna funnel that user through the entire customer journey. And if you're looking at your entire customer journey and you're noticing my messages are constantly repeating, we're not adding value within each of these customers' journey, then you know right then and there that you need to optimize for each part of the journey, and then your message is going to really resonate with your audience better. When we talk about using messages at different parts of the journey, you have to think through, how is this customer really finding us? So for example, most customers are really going to search through Google. I mean, that's a pretty common thing. And at that point, they're going to be in the awareness stage. They're going to realize that I'm starting to have this problem and maybe I need to find a solution for it. So a good example of this would be someone starting to think, you know what, I really want to remodel my bathroom. I would love to have a new sink. I would love to just kind of get some design ideas. So they became aware that they need design ideas. So what are they going to do? They're going to go online and they're going to start searching design ideas. So therefore, now you got to create a message around really giving them ideas. And then once they get really valuable ideas from you, then the next stage, they're going to be starting to think, well, let me start considering some different brands that can help me implement this idea. So now I need to create a message around implementation, right? And really the benefits of choosing the right type of product to help you implement your idea. So you can already see that you need these messages at different touch points. And you need to speak to them differently and solve their problems at each of these touch points in such a way that it really drives value for them to come back to you at the next stage, which is now that I'm considering, now I want to buy from somebody. So at this point, I'm going to be obviously looking through reviews. I'm going to be looking through other things about your brand that really solidifies your authority in this particular topic. So therefore, now you got to start creating more messages around your authority. And then this is going to really drive up the value of your brand, and you're going to start noticing that your message is really resonating stronger with your audience.